we're back. It's been a while. On our last video, we announced that we were having a baby, we had a new trailer, and that we were going to continue vlogging regularly and traveling. That didn't happen. Partly because we went on a backpacking trip from hell in Chattanooga, where we got chiggers and ticks, and it was horrible, and we just decided we're done. We're done making videos because it was bad, and Lindsay was quite pregnant. But anyway, so a lot has changed. We've had a baby. We had a girl. Her name is Bryn. She's 1 year old. She was born on January 6, 2019. If you follow us on Instagram, you already know all this. We still have been active on Instagram, but we took a break from YouTube just because it's a lot of work and we had a lot going on in our lives. But we said we were going to continue to travel after we had the baby. We did not. We stopped traveling. We settled down in Chattanooga and are currently home basing out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We originally decided to have the baby in Chattanooga because it was the closest thing to our family in northern Indiana that has a lot of outdoor activity, a lot of outdoor sports, and a mild winter. But then after we had Bryn, we decided we still wanted to be close to family, and Lindsay had a sister that moved to Atlanta, and her other sister is going to school in Nashville. And so we decided, you know, if we can have family less than 2 hours away and also have all these outdoor sports available to us right out our front door in Chattanooga, like, why not? Then we get the best of both worlds. And so that's what we ended up doing. That's the quick update. This is the quick version. We still have the trailer, Little Sebastian is what we're calling him. But we've gotten rid of Walter White, the white Ford F-350 we had. That thing was a hunk of junk. It broke down on multiple occasions. So we ended up getting rid of it, and we got a 2017, right? 2017 Ram 2500 diesel, and it is amazing, and we love it, and that's what we're currently driving. His name is Duke Silver. The Ram has been working out perfectly, and we've got the tow haul mode and the engine brakes, or the exhaust brakes, and everything is just amazing. It's got hill descent control, and it makes life so easy. We have quite a large cab, fits Bryn in the back perfectly, and both the dogs, and it really is a great way for us to travel. We have a covered cap over the bed where the bikes are, and there's also a toolbox that has all of our tools in there, and really it's just been great. And then we still have the Outdoors RV trailer that's 23 feet long, and so far, you know, we've been loving it.
We've taken a couple trips in our Outdoors RV. We went to New York with my sister over spring break, and we also did a couple of things around Georgia, but we haven't taken it back out west since we initially purchased it in Oregon. So that's what we're doing. We're heading to Arizona for basically the month of February, and we're going to be exploring the Phoenix area and doing some fun things there. So we're really excited to get our trailer back out west. So currently we're trying to figure out our balance between our home base life and community in Chattanooga and also travel and adventure. So we're just kind of winging it, trying to figure out what is going to work for us, because we don't want travel to go away. It's always going to be a big priority in our life and something we want to pass down to Bryn. So we're just going to try to find that balance and see how long of trips we can take and what works for us right now. So since we haven't been traveling so much, our trailer has still gotten a lot of use. My parents used it for a bit. We've had some friends use it, we've used it, but also I have listed it on Outdoorsy, and so you can actually rent it if you come through Chattanooga. You can check it out on that website. It's a lot like Airbnb, but for trailers, motorhomes, vans, that sort of thing, and we have had great success with that so far and love doing it and sharing our trailer with other families who can really enjoy it in the Chattanooga area. So if you're ever coming through, let us know.
Anyway, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if we have any viewers left or any subscribers that are still like gonna pick this up. I have no idea. We still actually get a decent amount of views on our old videos and still make a little bit of money through the channel, but that's neither here nor there. We don't really care. We just want to log our adventures. But anyway, so I'm looking forward to this trip, looking forward to recording it, looking some